Armanino's project and time tracking system is a solution designed to work on top of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Once the solution has been installed, you'll get a new tile in the command bar containing a group of entities that enable this functionality. The first key element of this solution is the project record. Let's take a look at a view. Here, we're looking at all active projects in the system. From this view, we can see information such as the project status, the priority, the name of the project, the client related to the project, who the owner assigned is, what's the current risk level, and on the far right side, we can compare the total budgeted or projected hours against the actual number of hours currently used for that project. Let's go ahead and open up a project record. At the very top, we see a section called Dashboard. And if we open that up, we see a couple of charts embedded. The very first chart on the left gives us a chart showing hours allocated to this project over the course of time. And then just to the right of that, we have another view of the hours, but this time it's broken out by billing category. Just below that, we see the project overview section. Here we have the core information about the project, information such as the project code, the project manager, what's the current status, the start date, an open text field for a description about the project, and other key pieces of information. If we keep scrolling down below this section, we find other areas, often referred to as tabs, that contain information like requirements, the budget, milestones, project risks, tasks, invoices, project hours, and project forecasts. And let's take a look at the project hours section. This is where a consultant is able to document their time back to the specific project that they've been working on. Now there's a couple of ways to add time to a project. The first way within the web browser itself is to hit the plus sign, and from here we're able to enter a subject about this specific set of hours, what is the billing code, what's the start and the end time. Another super useful way to create time and associate it with a project is to do it directly from your Outlook calendar. Here we start by creating an appointment just like we normally would. Go to the calendar, select New, put some information about the project, task, but now we use the Set Regarding and we tell the system that we want to associate this appointment in Outlook to a specific project. And once that's done, it will show up back in our CRM project window. Let's take a look at some of the ways that we can break down our project hours views. So here we've got a list of all the project hours, and then on the right side of this we have a number of charts that give us the ability to see visually breakdowns of how these hours have been spent. This view here, the VPM code, think of that as a billing code. We're breaking it down by how much time did we spend on training, how many on discovery, how many on design or report building. Another chart in the system breaks the hours down by the specific project. And so we can see that we've got 3 projects going on and the total of hours spent per project. Another view, a bar chart, shows us project hours by resource. Here's another view of hours by resource, but this time instead of a bar chart, it's a pie chart. So there you go. Here's a quick overview of the Armanino project and time tracking system. Thanks so much for attending, and have a great day.